Hello friends, Marcy here. I've been anxiously awaiting the opportunity to open my new Estelle. I think it's on this side. Yes, so if you can see the little signature here, Estelle. And this is from Canada. So I received my shipping notice. It left on the 26th, I think was the shipping. And then it arrived in the United States on the 29th. And then nothing. There was no other information for several days. It was due to arrive to me on Tuesday, February the 8th. And then it came yesterday, last evening, which was Saturday, February the 5th. So I'm so excited to receive it earlier than expected. I am going to share it with you, but I won't be able to do the setup yet because some of the items I ordered to set up. As I'm talking, I just want to show you how gorgeous this is. This is the inside top. And some of the items I ordered to set this planner up, I ordered from Rose Colored Daze, which was due to come in Friday, February 4th. It didn't arrive, and now the tracking is like it doesn't have any information, so it might be lost. We'll see. We'll see what happens next week. But our Estelle Eco Innovative Planners, and that's this design back here is in her on some of the dividers that I ordered. Dear Organized Dreamer, you've just invested in a piece originally and authentically designed by Estelle. We strive to be a pioneer of alternative materials and unwilling to compromise when it comes to sustainable design. It is our mission to infuse intention and absolute function into every detail of our eco-innovative creations. Thank you for being a part of our journey. Your support means the world to us. And it offers care tips, wipe off dirt from the leather, vegan leather, with a dry towel and a small dab of alcohol-free hand cream. Open the ring mechanisms by pulling either the two middle rings, the innermost middle rings, or pushing the two outer tabs. Avoid pulling the other rings because it will, to avoid distortion. Love, love, love your uniquely designed AE product. And their questions, there's their email. So wonderful, wonderful. And then they have this beautiful dust bag. It's very soft, so it feels good in the hand. So I'm going to move this out of the way. There's some other items in the bottom of my box, which I did purchase from Estelle in order to set up my planner. And we will open this after we open the planner. These are the inserts. Some of the other items I ordered from Rose Colored Daze happen to be some vinyl inserts that have pockets and zips. I forget. So I have some other items from Rose Colored Daze that I ordered for the setup. So I will come back at a later time and do the setup when I get all my materials. So here's the Estelle dust bag, the drawstring. I'm going to tuck this away because that'll be for packing it or storing it safely. And this is the gold hardware, which it has the Estelle heart, and then inside. Oh, by the way, the color of this is Rose Quartz. They have a darker pink that I wanted to get. It's called Rose Blush or First Blush, but they were out of stock. So, but as you can see, this Rose Quartz matches other items that I already own. So pink is right down my alley. And this is just a thick foam for packing so it doesn't get crushed. It keeps it separated so the rings aren't damaged. And the rings in the interior hardware matches the outside hardware, gold. It says Estelle on the rings, and these rings are 35 millimeters wide, which are quite substantial for holding a lot of good stuff. So I'm going to, let's look at the front pockets first. Let's see if I can, oop, I need to come up a little bit. There we go. Sorry about that. So inside, let's remove this protective cardboard. And there is a large back pocket. You can see how deep it is because I'm going to take this cardboard out and show you. It goes all the way. And then, so inside here, oh, that's very soft. Very supple. It's not stiff at all. I love the feel of that. So we have this pocket here that could hold some stickers or sticker kits. These divided or horizontal pockets here. This one goes all the way down. This one goes all the way down. And then two smaller pockets to hold like credit card size washi card. And then this one has a clear window. That's going to be beautiful to put some decoration in. And before I talk about the middle, I want to take out the back. This is one thing I was wondering about when I ordered this. I love the scallop on the cloud planner, but I didn't know if this would lay flat or if it would pop up. And I think since I've just opened it and only pushed it, I think that will eventually lay flat when in use. But it does have two pin loops here, and they do have the elastic to expand for larger pens. And let's see, I have my Simply Gilded pen here, which is gonna look gorgeous with the floral. I don't have my other one out, the pink one that came in the Stay Golden box, but I will get that out. This one is from subscription extras that I ordered after the Stay Golden. So we have two pin loops here, and gorgeous. The Estelle insignia here, and then it's kind of like a secretary pocket here, but there's two of them. And this back one again is very wide and deep into the whole inside, and there's some like sateen material in between the flaps. So let's talk about this middle. On this middle, this is unique to our Estelle. Not only does she have the 35mm rings, she has two elastics for TN inserts. So that is unique to this design. And so I'm looking forward to putting some notebooks, or I've even seen an idea of putting, this is a Simply Gilded sticker holder. They can also be attached on the string with the snap like this. So that's just an idea that I've seen some people do, and then close it up. You can do it on the front or the back, but be creative with your ideas. Try new things and see what works best for you. And okay, let's open up the bubbles. Let's get into the bubbles here. Again, to see, like, I always have to go back and look at my order because I'm all excited. I'll load my cart, think about it for a few days, which I did in this case. This cloud planner was in my cart. Actually, not this one was in my cart. One of a different color was in my cart for like 3 days. And I kept going back to it, and I finally changed the color from, I think it was called Sugar Blush or something. It looked like a rose gold, but I finally switched it to this one, the Rose Quartz, and hit the buy order, hit the purchase. Okay, more tape. And I'm glad I did. One of the reasons that persuaded me to do this is these tab dividers. This is an extra divider. They had like 3 colors available. I'm not sure. I think one was black, one was white, and then the Rose Quartz. I would have to double check that. But this one matches, and it has the embossed design, like some of the Bloom planners. Say that too fast. It sounds like I'm saying planters. And I just want to show you that's going to fit in the front here. And then I ordered the planner inserts for 2022. So I looked at other options, print pressions, I think Caress Press, and just decided to go ahead and order from Estelle. So let's see what this looks like. I like these colors. The the grays and the neutral, the blush. I think this darker color is kind of like the other planner I wanted. So I even considered the B6. So this is the 2022 year on 2 pages. I considered ordering the B6 because, you know, they had different colors available and designs. So this is January, like you can write in birthdays, important dates, like a virtual calendar, and there's only 6 months on this page and then 6 months on this page. And I like that, the color of the capital. It goes with my pink. And then you already have what it takes, and we have some grid paper, and these are dated January, and then you have the weeks. So all the January weeks, trying to see how this is set up. Okay, after the January weeks, we have some grid paper for notes, and then as expected, there's February. So we go through that through all the months, and there's nothing fancy on the text, which I'll be using sticker kits and using it as a memory planner. But we do have, I did order a Sunday to Saturday start, and there is the calendar here. So all 12 months are the same in setup. I'm going to get to the end and see what we have. If I can get the stack on the rings. Yes, that was simple. Some more square grid. Oh, I thought I got all my months to December. So at the end of December, we have the grid paper, and the back cover. Simple enough. So I do have some other items coming from Rose Colored Daze that I will be using to set up this beautiful planner. I've been so excited to get it. Right now, my Estelle card just going to go right here. Oh, that's pretty. I'm anxious to set it up with you in my next video after I get some more materials. So thank you. Oh, hold on. I'm looking at my bag. I have more. So these are tab stickers, and I ordered pink. So I'm going to put them on my months. I just haven't decided if I'm going to put them on the side or the top. I may put them on the top. I'll decide that when I do my setup with you after receiving my other materials from Rose Colored Daze. And then I did order the ruler, which is a page marker, and it's pink. So this is the large A5 size. I think she had B6 and A6. And there was a black and a white, and the other ones had designs similar to this pattern. So if you're curious as to what I'm trying to describe, sight unseen, you can go to restelle.com and look at the gorgeousness that they have there. Right now, I'm going to just put this in and say thank you for spending your precious moments with me today. And I will be back when I get the rest of my setup materials. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.